So what's up, guys? Amazon just delivered my Airbrush Depot tc-20 air compressor with a tank. I'm gonna see if this is any good. Let's find out. Actual air unit. Documentation. So let's take a look. So here we are. Here's the actual motor, piston chamber, regulator moisture trap, air tank, and power cable. This is actually my second tc-20. They delivered one a week ago. It was defective. There was an air leak coming out of the piston chamber over here and over here by the piston head. I sent it back to Amazon and they sent me a new replacement one, so we're gonna test it out. Here's the regulator. It's threaded for 1/4, I believe, which should fit most airbrush hoses of the hobby kind. 1/4. It's usually 1/4, 1/8. This one's 1/4. Iwata, usually on one end it's 1/8, and then on the airbrush end it's 1/4. So you might need an adapter for that one. But let's see if this one works better than the last one. How I'm going to set it up is, so I've got my, let's turn on the light here. Ooh, adjust. My spray booth. You see it over there? My workbench, all my backlog, tools, blah blah blah. So here's my airbrush. It's got an inline water trap over here that's hosed to a dedicated regulator over here. It's the same one actually that comes with the unit, but I have one dedicated and within arm's reach whenever I have to start working and stuff like that, so it's easy to adjust when I need to. And then I have like a regular braided hose that goes to the regulator, and then I've got a coiled Iwata hose that I'll end up connecting to the airbrush itself, the compressor I mean. So let's see if it works any better than the previous one. So you gotta take out the power cable. I think it's 110. Gonna set it up over here. Guys, having fun? Teflon tape. Tape up. So, see. Focus, focus, focus. Okay. Got the regulator valve. Put some tape. Just to make sure that no air leaks out. Okay. It's good enough. Do 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 do. Got our airbrush hose. Plug it in. I've also got my main regulator rated for, I believe right now it's at 20 psi, and then I plan to just leave the valve on full open on this side, so the main control for my airflow will be on the other regulator. Okay, let's see if it works. Meanwhile, while that's I'm gonna take out my kits. Not bad. Alright, that's it for now.